Hiya again, it's Helen from Hell of a Cake, and today I'll be showing you how to make a ninja figure made out of fondant. The mould I'm currently using can be found with all the other products and equipment within the link below. Take your modelling paste and mix the colours you want. I've chosen yellow for his hands and his head, red for his body and a little black for his belt. Then pop it in the mould and remember not to go over the lines with the colours within the mould. When that's done, pop it in the freezer until it's hard enough and then take it out. This process helps so it doesn't stick to the mould and it's easier to get out. Now carefully remove the figure out of the mould by applying gentle pressure to the sides to help mount the mould. To make the scarf, cut out 2 circles. On one of them, cut a half moon shape. The figure should be slightly damp due to it being taken out of the freezer. This helps you because you don't need to use glue or water, just stick them in place. All I'm doing now is adding on his eyebrows and his eyes to give him that ninja look. To get the full ninja look, just take a strip and place it over the forehead and the half moon. Again, cut out 2 strips with the black to make his belt. All I'm doing now is placing 2 idents for the middle of his belt by using my knife. Using your craft gun, extrude 2 lines. Place over the chest area. Now roll a small ball and cover the join. Finally add 2 small dots using your edible pen. And here's the finished Lego Ninja figure. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.